What's going on, y'all? Today we're here at my buddy Eric's house. He's fixing his car today. You know, went to the track, what, 2 weeks ago? Yeah, about 2 weeks ago. He had issues with his car. It's cranking, but he thinks it's fuel.
Brian Crowder shit in it? It's a Bill Kent. Bill Head.
Stage 3.
I just went to his house like, what, a week ago? Yeah. Yeah, the one I took was it's
Right here testing Eric's car because he's ready to fix it. See what type of pulls.
make sure it's not possible inside.
Are you ready for the track?
Yeah.
I've been added OG tuning it.
Hell yeah. So I'm making my hood exit.
Down here is what this one.
You know? Ready? Call me hood exit.
No.
We came to O'Reilly. We'll come to O'Reilly for again. What we come? What we come for?
A little teardrop.
Vacuum line. I got them right here.
Because it's just not boosting, all right.
It's only, yeah, it's not turning up.
What, you gonna pitch your car? Or what? You gonna pitch your car?
Hell no. Not right now. That bitch wrong. But instead right now.
How's it feel when your car running good now? Well, not all of it yet, but you know.
Shit, it feels good. To be honest. Way better than before.
Yeah. He's need Addy to do his little sauce.
Let me take this off right quick and let's see if the boost fucking skyrockets. No.
Now we gotta make you the fastest Neon in Houston.
Yeah, fastest stage 3 could.
Yeah.
I'm coming for the fastest stage 3.
Ooh. Man standing right there though.
Not that one.
Not that one? Which one? Isn't there another stage 3 in Houston?
Supposedly.
Yeah.
I'm about to get the Hellcat with the little.
Ah, shit.
Yeah, nah, I don't know. I haven't fucked it. Ever disconnected it? Oh, from the...
30 pounds, Eddie?
Make it 40, nigga.
40 pounds?
Hold on to it. Hold on to it.
You didn't sit there with it?
Nah.
So, again, thanks for watching, guys. You know, it was a good day today. You know, sorry the videos little, you know, scattered around. I'm still getting used to, you know, holding the camera and recording. But over time, I get used to it. But anyways, today, you know, I added a little tuning on my boy Eric's car. You know, he had a little fuel issue, but he fixed it. Everything good and running now. They are getting ready to go to the track Friday. So it's the last test tune Friday. So, you know, I'll be recording that for sure. But anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. You know, like, subscribe, do whatever. You know, I'll see you on the next one.